Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first letter A. A is for apple. A is for airplane. And use black color. Black color. B. B is for ball. B is for bat. It's neither C. C is for cat. C is for car. It's neither D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of D. It's neither E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. It's neither F. F is for fish. F is for fan. It's neither G. G is for goat. G is for grapes. And use red color. Red color. H. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. It's neither J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. And use yellow color. Yellow color. K. K is for kite. K is for king. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Kids, neither M. M is for moon. M is for mango. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, I can use blue color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids, neither O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. Kids, neither P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. It's neither Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. It's neither R. R is for rose. R is for rice. And use black color. Black color. S. S is for sun. S is for snake. T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. And I can use black color. It's neither U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. And use green color. green color. V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. And again use green color. Kids, neither X. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas-tree. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Kids, neither Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Kids, neither numbers. And first letter 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color. Yellow color. O N E 1. Kids, neither 2. T W O 2. Kids, again use green color and draw yellow color and draw 3. T H R W E 3. Kids, neither 4. The numbers of 4. And use blue color. Blue color. F O U R 4. Kids, neither 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids, again use blue color and draw 6. S I X 6. The numbers of 6. Kids, neither 7. The numbers of 7. S E V E and 7. Kids, neither 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids, neither 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. N I N E 9. Kids, neither 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids, today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.